Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a facial in this cold climate. VLCC Ayurveda Skin Purifying Double Power Double Neem Facial Kit, Acne Free Insta Glow. So why am I doing a facial? I'm PMSing in 2 to 3 days. I'll be getting my periods. Already I started getting pimples on my chin after I shaved. So of course I don't want any pimples, and let me see if it soothes this out. It's like painful a little bit out here, so if this helps, nothing like it. So yeah, before you go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and don't forget to hit on the bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. So this is priced at 200, which has a skin purifying double power double neem face wash. Then there is a face scrub, a face gel, face cream, and a face pack. And now I'll wet my face and I'll massage it nicely and show you. So while wetting my face, I just noticed I got a little bit of red rashes here too, so maybe pimples are coming up. For half minute or so, and then I'll wash off. It's very cooling. Just washed my face and there is an instant brightness. You can actually see it. Yes, it says instant glow, and just first step I can see an amazing insta glow, insta brightness. It is very cooling. The scrub is almost like the face wash, which I like. I don't like, it to be too rough on the skin. It's quite gentle. So now I'll just scrub very gently, then wash it off. Be very gentle out here. I'll be very gentle out here too. Oh, this is again very cooling. Ooh, it's very gentle on the skin, which I like. Scrub should actually be very gentle on the skin and still do its work. Guys, my skin feels so good. I'm actually surprised because the rash out here, the redness just subsided. A little bit of the pain was out here subsided, a little bit. Like, I'm surprised because I didn't have too much high expectations, to be super frank. It actually made my skin like a little dry. So let's take a little bit of the gel. I guess this is absolutely amazing till now for oily skin. Seriously guys, and if you are like really prone to acne, I feel like this will help because it dried out a little bit. So for oily skin, I guess it's going to be amazing. So now I'm going to massage this for 1 to 2 minutes. It's not written how long to massage, but I assume till it's absorbed, so it will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Oh, this will hydrate the skin, I guess. Oh, this feels so good. Wipe off excess cream with moist cotton. But after the gel, are we supposed to wash our face? Because here they said to massage over clean skin. So I'm not too sure. What does the gel say? It does not say anything. So if they said clean skin, I might have to wash this off, or what, I'm not too sure. Maybe I'm not going to wash my face because my face feels really hydrated and moisturized. I've never heard of washing of the face after applying the gel, so I guess this is clean skin. So skin purifying double power neem face cream. I'm going to apply a generous amount and I have to massage for 5 to 10 minutes. So let's begin. Oh, it smells good. Ooh, this is again very cold. I don't know if it's because of the weather or what, but it's, when it comes on my skin, it's like really cold. Oh, this is nice and creamy. Oh, this is going to leave my skin superbly hydrated. Wow. it's time to start massaging. So now I'm going to be massaging for 5 to 10 minutes. It's nice and thick, really creamy. Four minutes are getting over and it's almost absorbed. I thought it did not get absorbed. Skin feels so moisturized and so good. So I got done with 5 minutes. At the end, I will be rinsing it off with water because I don't want to wipe it and all that. I'll just rinse it off. The cream effect will go over then. This cream feels like really good, like super good. Nice and moisturized. Oh, my skin feels really good. So now I'll take a generous amount, apply it, avoiding the eye area. But before washing off, I'll be wetting my fingers, giving it a nice massage, say about for 1 minute. And then I'll wash off. Oh, skin feels good. The moisturization has gone down a little. So when I touch my skin, first let's talk about when I touch my skin. It feels squeaky clean. It does not feel too hydrated. The cream literally hydrated the skin superbly. But on top of that, we put this pack, which I feel dried my skin a little. Because the cream was there, it did not dry out my skin completely. Wiping it off would have been very tough because it was quite thick and stuck on my skin. I had to use a little bit of warm water to get rid of it completely. So in that process, the cream also has come out, the gel also has come out, which I don't feel so good about. The cream and the gel was really good. Otherwise, it's okay. It's absolutely amazing. I feel it's amazing for oily skin because it's really good. Even if your skin gets very greasy or very oily with the cream, the pack will compensate for it and make your skin good. Okay, let's talk about Insta Glow. Yes, Insta Glow is there. There's a bright look, a bright glow. But what I would wish, I would wish a little bit of, that shine, the dewiness, that's lacking. So now let's talk about the painful areas. There was a red rash here which has vanished. You guys won't be able to see it, but I can see it. And my chin, which was quite painful, it has completely dried off. I mean, there's no pain and it's completely dried. Like, I can touch it, I can feel like a rough layer out here. The upcoming pimples and rashes has completely dried. It's become rough. Healed, which I like. So what I usually do after a facial, I don't apply anything for the next 12 hours. So that's all I have to say. Thank you so much if you have watched the video till now. It means a lot to me. I love showing what I'm doing to my skin, which might help you too. And if you watched till now, thank you so much. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit a like. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones because you never know who it might help. It might help someone or the other. All my social media links are in the description box, so don't forget to check that. See you later in another video very soon. Bye bye.